New York, the city that never sleeps. The city with endless stories. New York is the most diverse DMA with 5.2 million Hispanics. Univision will bring the New York audience a hyper-local, multi-platform entertainment show. Viernes y más. Viernes y más is an insider look at what's trending in New York City, featuring behind the scenes and exclusive access. Wow! Hot spots in the city, arts and culture, entertainment and lifestyle, digital and tech trends. Viernes y más provides customized opportunities to connect with the New York Hispanic audience via branded content, radio and digital extension, local activations, and much more. Coming Q1 2017 in Unimás. Viernes y más.